Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to create SPL token using this script. First of all, you have to test on DevNet, and here is the file wallet.ts. You can run this file by npx ts node and wallet.ts. npx. Okay, this is the command. This run the file and create a new key pair, and also get one sol airdrop on the devnet. If you want to create a token on the mainnet, then you have to change the environment. Let me show you how. The first step is your token metadata. What we have to do, write here name, symbol, decimal, descriptions, and before that you have to upload your image on pinata.cloud. Here you can create account. It's free account have available, and also you can use nft.storage. Here you can upload your token logo. Then you will get the URI and paste it here. Then you have to upload this token.json file. The whole file you have to upload on the on the Pinata or nft.storage, as you like and easy to understand. Then here in the main.ts file you can choose the mainnet or devnet, write name here, symbol, and replace here your metadata that you get after uploading this token.json file. Here you can keep the decimal same, and here is the amount 100 million tokens, and this is the amount of decimals. So you can change this amount to increase or decrease the supply, and then you have to run this file npx ts node mint dot ts. So using these guidelines you can create your own SPL token, and it will be very low cost, and also have this guideline here, so you can read this guideline. This whole repo is on our GitHub, so you can clone it, and here is the instructions how to use. One more and important thing, let me show you the secret.json. This format you have to use when you deploy run the script on the mainnet. So you have to must pasted your private key in this format in the secret.json. Then you have to able to create this token. Otherwise you can create a new key pair, then you can keep the secret key here in the secret.json, and fund this wallet with the mainnet or devnet as you want. Okay, let me clear. You have to first upload the image, then upload the metadata, update the name, symbol, and the metadata URI. Here is the token supply, then run the file.